Hey there. So I wanted to show you something that I kind of come to the conclusion that I think this is going to work and it's going to be a little bit easier. So this is Stacy's tracker, which we've always used, and this is, well, all of my functions are here with a couple of yours. You're going to see a couple little changes. For the most part, everything stays the same there. So what I wanted to show you is originally we were kind of going into each party, doing all the tracking like individually like that, and then going into this party, and blah, blah, blah. So then I thought to myself, why are we doing this? This is taking up a lot more time than necessary. So instead, let's put everybody in one section and we'll just organize them by the host or by their name. So let's say I'm in Krista's party and Alina did something, then I'm going to find her here. But you'll notice that things are not in alphabetical order. So I want to show you how to do this. And I think I did a few times, but I'm not sure if you were able to try it. But you're going to need to do it with this particular tracker. So what you're going to do, and by the way, I put a little acronym up here, TO. When you see TO, that means table only. So, so actually, hold on, this is not correct here. So what we want to do is we want to get everything in alphabetical order, because if you don't, obviously it just makes it so much harder to track, and it's so easy when they're in alphabetical order. So I don't know if you're using a mouse or if you're using the mouse pad, but either way it doesn't change. So if you're using the mouse, you're going to push down on the left side of the mouse so you can highlight the beginning. Okay, so you hold the finger down over that, and then you just drag down. Okay, because what you're telling Google Sheets is that you want them to organize everything in alphabetical order based on what you just highlighted. Okay, then you're going to go up to data and you're going to click sort range, and then you're going to click sort range by column A, and we want it to be A to Z. So the cool thing that happens here is everything content-wise, check marks, whatever, goes right along with wherever these people get moved. So you'll notice that's the case because Vanessa, Allison, and Grace have nothing next to their name here, and that's the way it will stay. So sort range, click that there to A to Z, and you'll see it goes with them. So if you remember, we talked about Grace. She has nothing next to her name. Allison has nothing next to her name. So everything we just did, content-wise, goes with them, so it makes it a lot easier. I'm also going to make sure that this is frozen, so it makes it easier to track. So we'll freeze it up to that row. That way when you're going up and down, it stays with it. So I just wanted to give you that little heads up. I am going to send over a couple of videos as the next couple of days go by. I'm off Wednesday, Thursday, half of Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but I got a lot of running around to do because, of course, on Monday I head back to work. When I do head back to work, continue to message me as things pop up. Try to use all the wording content that you see in boards, and try not to use anything that is not in boards. So in other words, if you're not sure how to respond to something, or if you can't, let me back up. If you can't find the words in boards, then message me and ask me how to respond, and then I'll take care of it from there. So anyway, this is what I wanted to show you for this particular video. Thank you.